Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a liquid matte lipstick that will not crack or dry your lips out. So if you want to know how to make this formula, keep watching this video. Okay, so first I will be adding my isododecane. And next I will be adding my flake resin to the bowl. And we're gonna just stir this on up, and you want to make sure you're separating it so it doesn't start clumping up. And we're just gonna let this dissolve on its own for about 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dissolve. Resin has been melted, and now I'm gonna go in with my polyisobutene. Doesn't care. Alright, so now I'm going to add kaolin clay. And then I'm going to add some brown oxide. And first I'm just going to mix this all in together. I'm going to take my handy dandy stick blender and blend away. Make sure you blend it up really good. We want everything mixed in really good. We don't want any clumps because kaolin clay sometimes has a tendency to clump up, and so does the oxide. So we need to make sure we are blending. Okay, now we are gonna go in with some microcrystalline wax. Can y'all see that? So I'm gonna add my wax in, and I have to melt this wax, so I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'll be right back. And it's melted, so now I'm gonna hurry up. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, let's try this again. Let's do the smudge test. Now, the good thing about this lipstick is that, you know, typically a lot of lipsticks, with matte lipsticks, it tends to be a little too dry on the lips, which causes it to flake. This one is the perfect amount of moisturizer in there. That's why I added the polyisobutene so it would dry out your lips. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave comments and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.